This illustration deals with equipment use. In accordance with 70E 110.12, the purpose of change was to make it very clear that electrical equipment shall be used by the specific instructions of the manufacturer. If they should not be any instructions from the manufacturer, then 110.3b and c would be used. But 110.3b and c instructs the user of the NEC to follow the manufacturer's instructions. So, for example, the note, equipment shall be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions as outlined in 110.12 on page 20 of 70E. Now, many times electricians do not do this properly. When the inspector comes on the job and finds all the installation specifications in a cellophane bag, never been opened, they pretty well know that the electrician never read those quick start specifications of the manufacturer. Now, the next call out states electrical equipment shall be marked in field to warn worker of electrical arc flash hazard. That's 110.16 A and B. Also, the available short circuit current has to be determined by 110.24 A and B as outlined there. The marking on the equipment warns workers to perform calories per centimeter squared calculation or list PPE for a worker to wear per 70E 130.5C and 130.5H that you'll find there on page 26 and 27 along in that area. But the 130.5H document, that 70 document we're speaking of, talks about the label that the owner has to put on page 29. Now, there are three main labels that should be looked at. The installing electrician should look at 110.16 and 110.24. The owner of the equipment would make sure that 130.5H is performed properly, and then we would have the information that would be necessary for a qualified electrician to read the label and either select their PPE by calories per centimeter squared, or the equipment needed would be listed on the label.